Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life, guys. So in this video, okay, I have two containers here. We're going to be making two small floral arrangements to give away, okay? So this is a recyclable craft. They're recyclable little floral arrangements. That's what we're going to be doing today. So let me show you. Now in the florals, guys, this one here, I'm not sure what this is exactly. I think I got this from Dollar General, but I don't see a tag anywhere. I didn't see a tag. Now these guys are hydrangeas, and what I did is just cut them up. And so I got these at the Dollar Tree, and this is the tag. This is the tag to those. Okay. So like I said, one bunch of the hydrangeas for each one, and then I kind of split this flower here. I kind of split them to make the two arrangements, and so we're just using two basic little floral foam pieces, and I got this guys at the Dollar Tree. So just to show you how I do a lot of recyclable items, guys, I took these cans outside, okay, and I spray painted them in the pink. These are absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if the camera's doing that any justice, guys. I've been using crafts that I ordered from BB Crafts, and I'm gonna link that below because they also have a YouTube program, guys. So the pearls, I did get them from Michael's, but the wrap, that gem wrap right here, look how gorgeous that is. That gem wrap I got from BB Crafts. So and then I decorated a jar, so I can show you different ways that I do. You can fill up the jar with candy, or you can fill up the jar with anything. It doesn't always have to be a floral arrangement, so whatever you think of, just to give away, it's just really a nice gesture, guys. And this came out absolutely gorgeous. I'm actually thinking of keeping this for me because it came out that nice. And then I decorated the lid, so isn't that nice? So this was just some ideas I wanted to show you on how I just kind of sit here quietly and start playing with my gems and embellishing things. So let's jump right into this, guys. So like I said, I did make two twine bows the same, and then I just put this label, which they have this at the Dollar Tree, these labels. I just placed it over this, I painted in white, then I sealed it in with the Mod Podge, guys, after I placed that label down, and some pearls. That's all we did with this, and I already had this stuff handy. So, and like I said, these are recyclable items. So what we're going to do is I took a little piece of the floral, foam, and so I cut that in half, and so we're going to glue this to the bottom of the tin can because we don't want that, I don't want the floral foam to move. So guys, I'm also using the floral moss, and I don't have the top to this to show you, but this is over where they have the crafts. It depends on the Dollar Tree. But anyway, everything I'm using, guys, to create this craft is down in the description box below. So let's jump into the video, guys. So I have the foam in here. So we're going to put a little bit of that floral moss, not a lot, just enough to cover the foam. I don't like to be wasteful, so we just want to cover a little bit of it, just in case anybody looks in there. We have that foam covered. Like I said, look how gorgeous these are. These are absolutely gorgeous. I'm really liking that pink right now. I forgot what that was called. I saw it at Walmart yesterday, and like just the gems, these pearls, I got these at Michael's in these shapes, and they're absolutely beautiful. So I kind of make like little brooch designs out of them, so that kind of comes out nice. So this is what that looks like. So I have the foam on the bottom, and then we put the floral moss on the top, and that's what that looks like. So now we'll start with this one. So now with this one, I have two of these. So we got to watch where we place those. So what I normally do is I cut up, like I said, one bush of the hydrangea. That's what that looked like. So I just kind of cut that up in pieces. So we're going to start placing those, and not all the way down. North, south, east, and west. Okay, and we're just going to place them just above that can. We don't want to squeeze them all the way down. Okay. And that's pretty full right there. But we're going to place this one in here. See how pretty that is? And then, since these stand tall, guys, I'm going to put one, and I have two of them, so I'm going to put one on each side. Okay? And you can even stand that up higher if you want. See? That is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Look at that. That's a beautiful, this makes such a beautiful gift, guys. So this is one that's done. Let's work on the other one. Okay, so now with this one, I think I have 3 pieces, so we have 3 of these. I always keep that in mind before placing the hydrangeas, so I know where to place, or try to think of where to place those. So again, I usually go from 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock. I'm going to come over here on this side. 9 o'clock, and then we put this one right in the center. Okay, so that makes it nice and full. And make sure that we like the fullness of it, and then we go ahead and we start placing the taller pieces. So, okay, and so I'm going to come right here. Okay. Depending on how fluffy you want it, depends on how much you push that down or you kind of fluff it out. And also the greenery helps with that. So now, isn't that absolutely gorgeous, guys? Look at that. That makes a beautiful little gift. And even if you did this to decorate your own house, nobody's going to know that's a recyclable can after you get done decorating it, guys. So this is what those two look like together. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. I hate to say it, but it looks like very fall-y, okay? It looks like we're welcoming the fall, and it's coming, so we may as well embrace it. So, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Everything I used to create this is down in the description box below, guys. So I did want to show you how I embellish all the other ones, and I do jars also. So we don't just do the containers, we also embellish jars that I use. And look how beautiful that looks, guys. You can put a flower in there and just give it to someone. So, like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, click like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, guys.